everybody. I'm going to start this video. I'm going to start it with Missy over here. As I may have been saying in some videos, which I've not posted yet. I haven't even edited yet, actually. Lily is kind of, and all my snakes. It is so hot, guys, that my snakes during the day just, we're staying in. It's too hot. And then, of course, once that sun goes down, the evening starts. Okay, we want to come out. That's great. That's fab. But I tell you what, I am so tired at this time of the night. So what I've been doing is, without seeing where the camera is, of course, is getting Lily out, and she comes to the shower with me. So at least I'm starting my bedtime routine a little bit and getting ready to go to bed, and it's kind of letting her know I'm getting ready to go to bed. Lily, I just can't do it, guys, lately. I'm just, the heat. I'm not even seeing where I'm looking. I'm just trying to see where she is. And as you can see, there is no, I'll whip with my tail. This is a absolute, you can grab me and you can pull me out, because that's exactly what I want to do. I want to come on out, Mum. I don't know if you can see her there. I can feel her. But I'm kind of just laying here right now, and Lily's just laying on me, because all I want to do is just lay down. Lil, where are you going to go? You ain't going no. Oh, sorry. I haven't coughed in a long time, Lily. But oh my goodness. But I am. And that bright light, which you can see now, because I've got the camera this way. Lil, you're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. I know where you want to go. But you have to come with me. Because, what time is it? Do you know what the time is, Lil? Hey, do you know what the time is? It's time for Mum to go have a shower. What do you reckon? Lily doesn't care what I'm going to do, so long as she can be a part of it. Hey, you really don't care so long as you're out and about and you're not in your enclosure. So, as much as it'll be dark, I'll put her around me and I'll swing her around if I can. At this point, lift her on up. She's kind of on me. A little bit. This way, sweetie. This way. Let's go. So, this is kind of what's been happening with me and Lil of late. It comes out, it's late, I'm going to bed. So for her to have her time is for me to take her down, let her sit on the jungle gym, watch me have my shower. And she's quite happy to do that. In the meantime, before I head off, I have 2 puppies that need to go outside at this particular point, and I'll wait for them to come back. But I know for a lot of you right now, Lily, you and your head, it's cold. it is really cold for you. And I'm reading comments and so forth where, you know, pipes are freezing and bursting and all the rest of it, and I don't have to deal with any of that. I have to deal with air conditioners going and keeping hydrated and keeping cool instead. I mean, we turn on our tap and the water is boiling coming out of the cold tap. I guess we have to wait, or I have to wait a while for that water to actually be cool to get some cool water. I do have a fridge that makes cold water and ice, which is what we really do need up here. Don't we, Lil? You like this time of the night, don't you? Hey? And Jack is Mr. Lazy Dude. He is. Jack ain't moving very much at all at the moment. He's kind of hunkered down into his enclosure, as is Lily during the day. Not at night though. It's nice, it's cool, it's comfortable, and she has her energy burst and decides, as you saw, comes to that door. As soon as those lights go from daylight to the blue light, she is at that door. Maybe I should keep the white light going. No, I wouldn't. I wouldn't do that to Lily just to make her stay in her enclosure at all. And I don't think that would make any difference anyway. They tend to have a built-in clock themselves. So, because they're not stupid in any way, shape or form, and I don't even know where her head is. Where's your head? Gone. Missy. Hang on. Let me go a searching. I can feel her. I just don't know which way she was going. So, not anything other than, of course, talking about Miss Social Girl here. And that is pretty much what I call her these days. And I guess I could have been calling her that for a long time, because this is what Lily does, is certainly loves to, come on, where do you think you're gonna, she's gonna try and go, guys, where Lily wants to go. But I'm going to have a shower, let Lily have some time down there with me, then I'll clamber into bed. I'll let her have a crawl around in my room, safely in my room, and then I come and put her back in her enclosure, and she's not always that keen, but I feel better knowing that I've acknowledged that she's wanted to come out, rather than I've completely ignored her. And even though I know for Lily, she's never ever satisfied with a short period of time, because I know my Lily has come out many a time and been out all day, just chilling in the hangout spot. But I know that she appreciates me letting her out now, even if it is for a short time. And when I say a short time, it's probably going to be almost an hour before I put Lily back. But for Lily, an hour is never and would never be long enough. Yeah, you yawn, sweetie. I mean, I am the one that should be yawning. I'm just checking her butt end, but she's already been to the toilet, so I know there's no issue there. You're going to go home all by yourself? Wow. That would not be normal for you to do at all. No, I didn't think so. Missy? Missy? I'm filming from a completely different angle. I've got where I can see it, I'm pointing it, so I can't see, but trying to keep track of her. Where are you going to go? She says my door isn't shut. Water bowl's going to be washed and filled, Lily, before you go back home. So that's one chore I've got to complete before my night is over. So nice and quiet this time of the night. The boys are in bed. There's no TV going. Not that I have TV going. Well, I do. But it's, or if I can maneuver it, it's screensaver thing that Google puts on when I tell it to turn off the TV. It doesn't turn it off, but it takes it to a screensaver. So I guess that's kind of off, isn't it? Why is it on and I don't watch TV? Because my granddaughter was here earlier and put music on actually through my TV using the Google Mini, which she loves. See, Lily's trying to find her way to get up to that hangout spot, but I don't want her to go there because we're going in the opposite direction. So before she gets there, I'm going to say ciao. Take care of yourself, your family, your snakes, and for me, it's good night. Ciao.